Viva, Viva Mexico.
Viva Mexico.
me see.
Argentina.
Oh, Viva Argentina. Bonita. What's this right here? What is this right here? What type of bar is this right here? What is this right here?
Yes, Las Hijas de la Tostada.
What is it? It's it's just a regular bar.
Steakhouse.
Oh, a steakhouse. Okay, okay. Maybe I'll go here another day. I just want to.
Okay.
Oh man, Viva Argentina.
Yes.
All right. Real streets of Playa del Carmen. Viva Mexico.
Viva Mexico.
Yeah. What's up, black man? You chilling? I guess he's not. Viva Mexico. It's nice shades. I like your shades, man. Good, good. I like your shades. Boom. Maybe I will. I'm not sure. I'm from the United States, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Yeah. I'm good right now. Yeah. You're right. Hola, bonito. Viva Playa del Carmen. Guess that didn't work. Beautiful place, guys, as you can see. Walking down the block. This is 5th Avenue right here. This is the main drag in Playa del Carmen. So much to show you guys in the time that I'm here. But I'm going to show you as much as I can. That's my word. It's like semi-packed, but not really packed, like the summertime pack. But there's people out here. There's people out here. What's up, man? How's it going? Yeah, Viva Playa del Carmen. What happened?
My little shop today, man. A little Maya market. We got lots of souvenirs from Mexico.
Okay. Yeah, but I got some stuff to do right now. I got to show them so much stuff. I'll come another time, I promise. I'll come another. Hey, let's just see. I already know what everything looks like, the little trinkets and everything you guys saw here. How much are they?
This is the little necklace. This one I give it to you for 250 pesos.
So that's like $12.
Yeah, cheap for you.
Okay. I'm just looking right now, man. I'm on a little tour right now.
Do for 10.
No, but later on, you get me in the shop later on, another time. Another time. Another time. No, I'm good for the sticky icky right now. I'm good, champ. You just walking around in circles. I went to go send the money. They wouldn't let me do a Western Union or MoneyGram. So I'm going to have to do it tomorrow.
Wow, but you have the money?
Yeah, I have the money.
Well,
yeah, I'll just go another day.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'll go.
But you're going to Cancun, right?
Huh? Yeah, I'm probably just going to go to Cancun and do it.
Okay.
But here, yeah, they gave me trouble. I don't know. They said it's not on my end. They was like it's on her end. Somebody sending her too much money or something like that. The guy looked in the computer because he was like, he tried MoneyGram and he was like, no, it's not going to let you send it. And then we tried Western Union and then they wouldn't let us send it. You still looking for jobs going around?
Yeah, like in Beach, they were looking for hostess. I asked and they said to me like, bring the solicitor, like
the paperwork. Yeah.
So I'm gonna look for that.
And then I thought about another job that you would be good at too, working in the hostels at the front desk. They need people that speak English and Spanish.
Yeah.
I thought about that too.
Also too.
You could check the hostels too, because a lot of Argentinians. But I mean, I'm sure you maybe could get in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for that.
All right. I'm just going to go get something to eat now.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Good luck. Bye-bye. So, let's see what you're doing. Let me look real quick. What is this? How you roll it? Oh, and it's a cigar. Cuban cigar. Cubano?
Yeah,
Oh, shoot. ¿Dónde eres, Cuba? ¿Dónde eres? Where are you from in Cuba?
aquí en México.
Okay, see. This is cool. Gracias.
Let me go this way, sir.
Not right now. Maybe later. What's up, man? How you doing today? Hanging in there?
What?
How you doing today? Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hot.
Hi, me too, man. Look at me, I'm sweating. Aviva, Playa del Carmen. No? No? Excuse me. My fault. They must have been from America. What's up?
Nice. Look.
I know, I can see from... Yeah. Wow. Huh? No, not right now. Yeah. No, I'm all right right now. Hola. Another time. I'm already 8. Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
to see you again.
Chilling.
It's me, Francisco. You don't remember?
Okay.
It's my birthday.
What's up? Happy birthday, man.
I got the
Nice to see you
cancha.
again.
No, I'm good right now. I'm good.
My brother from my other mother.
What's up? I'm doing good, man. You're partying. Aviva, Mexico.
You
Ooh.
don't recognize me.
Yeah.
I work at the 6.
Oh,
Hotel.
okay. All right.
Yeah, I'm the security.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I know you are. I know you are now.
What you doing?
I gotta go to the Starbucks real quick.
Starbucks is right in the corner.
Okay, let me go there real quick. You guys take care. Happy birthday.
Hey, listen.
Yeah.
When you finish, don't forget, I want to show you my mom's business. That's my mama's shop.
Okay.
That's why it's like second business, the family. My friend did. Thank you because it's a birthday. But today I'm helping my mom in my day off.
Okay.
When you finish, I want to show you.
Okay, I'll come back. I will. Gotta go to Starbucks. Aviva, Mexico. Aviva. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, man? Come on. No gracias right now. Maybe another day.
Okay.
Gracias. Thank you. Yeah. How y'all doing today? Good. They don't talk to other black people. All right. I gotta go to Starbucks. Start downloading these videos that you see. Talk to you guys later. This is Philly Now signing off from Playa del Carmen, Mexico. More videos to come.